This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable skewers, specifically these knotted bamboo skewers. There's a few different options, both the twisted knot, which you can see has this nice little twist to the skewer part, and the knot, which just has a nice straight skewer, giving you some natural variety between those two options. There's a few different lengths available as well. The 2.5-inch munchkin, 4 and 6-inch length. And there's some different variety in the colors too. You have the natural bamboo, black bamboo, which you can see has a nice, beautiful contrast between the natural colored side and the black side. And also the brown, which is a lovely kind of reddish brown color. It's very natural and also very warm. So it's a nice little touch. And you want to check the listings to see which of these options is available and each size and style. These are great for adding a touch of rustic flair to your garnishes, appetizers, and desserts. They're all made from sustainable and biodegradable bamboo, so they're a fantastic eco-friendly option. They're a great skewer for holding sandwiches together at your deli, or just to put out alongside things like fruit, cheese, charcuterie spreads for your guests to use as utensils. The bamboo is strong and won't splinter, which makes them ideal for a variety of tasks. These are perfect for restaurants, hotels, food trucks, or for caterers at a variety of functions.